Brian from Easy Trunk. We have a new product that we're introducing now. We've tested it and it is absolutely fantastic. What it is our new Easy Flip Top. Okay, and the way it works, it's so simple. What's really, let me show you how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to go through a demo on it with you and show you. Go on this side. So the way it works, we use this 3M tape. This stuff's amazing. It has a 30 to 50 pound per square inch pull strength, which means you can probably pull 500 or 600 or 700 pounds on this and it will never ever come off. So it is impossible for this to come off, and you'll see some new products that are tied to this short. All right, so the way it works is this actually just sits like this on there. Okay, we're going to clean it off. Okay, I'll show you about that, and stick it down, and basically that's it. So it's simple. We made it simple for you because some of the other products out there, you don't really know where to put it. Okay, and some of the other products out there are connected. Okay, and we've changed that. We make it so you do each side. Okay, push it down, and you're done. The other good thing about it that you'll see is we make the parts replaceable. These are stainless hinges. This is aluminum. All right, but if ever you do have to take it off and separate it, all you do is take the screws out, and you can take your flip top off, or you can take the screws out and change the hinge, and they're always available, but I don't think you'll ever need them because they're stainless. So the first thing you're going to be doing is cleaning it. Okay, and a lot of these companies, they're giving you little hand wipes. Okay, you can't use a hand wipe. You really got to use thinner or something like that. We recommend lacquer thinner. Okay, there's two types of thinner. There's paint thinner and lacquer thinner. Paint thinner leaves a residue. Lacquer thinner dries really fast and works really well. And what our objective is, one, to get the dirt off. Two, I'm sure everybody waxes their Jeep once in a while. You got to get the wax off because the 3M adhesive doesn't stick to the wax. So let me tell you a little about the 3M adhesive. All the body parts, all the stickers, the metal parts on your Jeep, a lot of them are put on with 3M trim adhesive. This stuff is fantastic. So we stand behind it. It works great. So what we're going to do is we basically know where it's going to be going. Okay, in this area. So we're going to start cleaning probably about 1 foot out on both sides, safe. And we're just going to clean it a few times in the zone where we're going to be putting it. Lacquer thinner doesn't hurt the paint because no paints are lacquer. Okay. You can see just by me doing it how dirty it was, and we had previously cleaned it today. So don't be shy on cleaning it once or twice. And we're cleaning between the grooves around a foot out just to make sure we get it 100%. And it's a little better. We're going to go real quick again. Don't be shy. If you happen to lean on it with your hand, okay, well, there's oils on your hand, you really need to clean it again. We want to double make sure. We make this mistake all the time. Now we're going to clean the other side. And you might find me cleaning it a couple times because I happen to touch the paint a lot. And my objective is to get the wax off and just make sure I'm really biting into the real surface. Top, it works in between the grooves. That's where it latches down. I put my hand here, I realize I did it. I'm cleaning the area. We're going to make a simple line on the roof, okay, with a piece of tape. So we know where to locate. Now, you don't want to do a line across like this, because actually the flip top is a little angled a little. So we're going to do one side at a time. What we're going to do is line up the bottom here, the front side, okay, so it's parallel in line, and you'll notice that the tape measure or the ruler, okay, is out over here. That's what we're looking for. We're take a little piece of tape, okay, and just put it right here in line with the ruler, okay? And what that is, that's our straight line, because we have a straight line right here, which is easy to do, but we really don't have that one, and we're basically done here. And we're gonna go to the other side, do the same thing. So you're following the front of the flip top, not the back, okay? And you can actually just put a little piece of tape right here. Okay, and we're done. That's as much work as you have to do to get it set up. It's actually really simple. The next step is, and I'm not gonna pull the tape off yet, is you just get it centered between the two ribs, okay? As best as you can. If you're a little off, it really doesn't matter. And center, put the edge of the metal here right at the edge of the tape, okay? Put the edge of the metal here right at the edge of the flip top or the Freedom top, and make sure you're centered between here and here. It's actually pretty easy, okay? And you are done, okay? Freedom top is, you're not really free because they're really a pain in the neck. What makes ours great is the worry is gone. You don't have to worry about leaving it in your trunk, putting it in the back, getting it scratched, leaving it at home. In 6 seconds from the second you unclip it, you can actually flip it back and it's with you all the time. So it makes it really convenient, a great place to store it, and it's out of the way. And it's also fun because you can flip it back at a red light in 1 second. Beginning, you can pop it off and put it on again, and if you mess it up by mistake, we will actually send you a new one to put on. You can't hurt the hard top, but if you're pulling it, sticking it on and off, it might not stick as well, so we'll just send you a new one and you just send the old one back. No problems. But it is actually really easy. So what I do is after I get it in line, I just put my knees right here, okay? Double check that it's in place. Lift it back and start pulling the tape off, and it's easy as that. So what I like doing is pulling the tape off from the back side so you're not really touching anything up front, and you just pull it off like this. It's that simple. If you'll notice, the hole, okay, is always on the Freedom top. The lock is always on the roof. So now that we did that, we're just going to pull up this tape a little, just keep it in place so it's, in case there's a change. Now I haven't moved, everything's still in line, perfect. And all you do is drop it down, okay? Now you've dropped it down, you can get off, okay? Now notice what I'm doing, I'm pressing down for about 30 seconds just to make sure everything's sticking. And this thing is on there like glue. Now that you've done that, this one's a little easier to do. You just flip it back, pull off the tape. Notice I touched it. So now that I got the tape off, all I do is I'm still double checking to make sure I didn't move at all. I actually moved a little. So, straightening it out again. Just a little. 1, 2, 3, and push down, and we are done. Okay? This stuff sticks like iron.